everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to create this 4th of July makeup look. I just want to warn you guys that before we get started in this video, I did mess up a lot. I messed up a lot. Like, my makeup did not look like this. And I just want to let you guys know, and I want to show you guys that people do mess up on their makeup even though it looks perfect. It's your choice whether you want to go back and fix it or just give up right there, you know? So how are you supposed to get better if you don't keep trying, you know? So yeah guys, I truly do hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget about thinking about subscribing down below. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I already did one eye off camera. Now I'm going to be doing the other side, and I really wanted to use my Aurora Lights palette. It's such a beautiful palette. When you open it, it looks just like this, and I was in a search for a red, and I honestly thought this was a red because if you look at it, it looks like a red, right? But when I was applying it, it looked like a pinkish look, and I wasn't looking for a pink shade. I really wanted like a really pigmented red. I'm not going to be changing anything on this side. I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did on this side because I don't want this side to come out different than this side. I want them to look the same, you know? I'm just going to take fluorescent and apply that in my crease. And hopefully this video does not blur out when I'm doing my makeup, because I noticed that in my last video that I uploaded, when I was editing, I noticed that when I was doing my makeup, it would always blur out, and it was just so frustrating because when I was doing my makeup, you couldn't see what I was doing. So I'm just gonna pay close attention that it does not blur out, because then I'm gonna get really mad. I'm gonna be applying this in my crease. As you guys can see, it looks like a pink shade, doesn't it? I wasn't looking for that. Okay, so now moving on, I'm going to be using my Bella Pierre Cosmetics shade. I think that's what it's called. But it's these mineral shades. They're powdery shades. And as you guys can see, it comes in different colors. That's what I love about this, that whenever you need a color, I'm going to be taking this red shade right here. When using this, you have to be really careful because there is a lot of fallout. So when you apply some of this red, you first want to go, okay? Or you can move. So I'm going to be applying this on top of my previous shade that I just applied, which is in my crease. Oh shit, look what just happened. I kind of fixed it. Let's continue. So I'm going to be taking a flat brush, and I'm going to be taking some concealer. I'm going to be taking the lightest one there is, and I'm just going to clean up my lid. So you want to follow the crease of your lid, and make sure once you hit the crease, go straight around, okay? And then when you get to the end, you want to make sure that you do like a little wing, like if you're creating a wing liner. So like once it's on my lid, it doesn't really matter because you can go all crazy and whatever, but once you hit your crease, you want to be really careful and start going straight. Like when I hit my crease, I use the tip of my brush to go straight. and then that's how, when you start creating a wing, like that. I don't know if you guys can see. That's that. Now I'm just gonna remove the tape. But anyways, I'm just gonna do like a wing liner. I'm not gonna fill it in or anything. I'm just gonna do the tracing kind of thing. You know what I mean? This is the flat brush that I'm gonna be using. I usually go like this so it can get flatter. And I'm just gonna get my powdery red shade. It looks just like this. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like that. And so I'm just gonna apply this inside my wing liner. So I'm gonna fill in my wing liner with this red shade. I'm going to be using some blue glitter, and I don't have any glue glitter, so I'm going to be using like a glossy to stick the glitter onto. I'm going to be using my Argan facial oil from Ellen Tracy. Applying some of this on my face. Now I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetic Liquid Foundation and my True Match, and I'm going to mix them together. Now I'm just going to take my Carly's palette, and I'm going to be taking this highlight right here, and I'm going to be using this highlight to bronze up my face. I'm going to be using a little bit of my chapstick. I'm just going to go in with my Aurora Light, and I'm going to be taking Polar, and I'm going to be applying this underneath my lash line. Do it underneath my wing liner as well. Apply it on my lower. But I'm going to be using the shade Ombre, this white shade right here, with a flat brush. So anyways, I'm going to be applying this inside of here. It didn't come out as I wanted it. And then I'm going to remove this. Now I'm going to be using my Double Fudge Lipstick Amor Prohibido, I mean. And I'm going to cut like, you know, what the heck is going on, you know, with my face. Let me tell you guys what's going on. Once I'm done with all of this, oh, it gets me so mad. Okay guys, I'll be back. I'm going to do my lashes off camera. What I'm going to be doing, yes, I'm going to be removing all this glitter, so I hope you guys enjoy this. I apply a little bit of my strobe highlight from my black light highlight from Bleach Cosmetics. So now I'm just gonna apply red glitter. Ya para que hago un video, right? I was literally off camera trying to figure shit out because literally I'm about to freaking give up right now because I already messed up so many times and I'm fucking up my face so many times. But what I did, I ended up getting this glitter. So this is like a thicker glitter and it wasn't working with the fucking brush. So I just used my finger to apply it on the corner of my eyes and it came out like this. So I'm pretty much done, I guess. Okay guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me fuck up so many times. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Till next time.